Hello, 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 everybody. I'm just taking Bubby out. She had to go potties. I'm doing some cleaning. I'm excited to do some cleaning. That's what I'm doing. That's a pretty cool van. It's 45 degrees out. Pretty nice. Don't cross the road. No, no, no. You don't cross the road without mommy. We don't cross the road without mommy. If this car's coming, we don't cross the road, baby. Don't cross roads without mommy. Make sure no cars are coming. You can't cross roads when cars are coming. We're not going that way. Brother's in the house. We can't go for a long walk. Then he's gonna be crying. Can't go for a long walk until he's with his dad. When he's with his daddy, then we can. I'm not taking both of you at the same time. That would be very, very hard. Very hard. Trying to walk both of them at the same time is very hard. I gotta get a new collar to her, and this leash, I gotta get a new leash again. This one's starting to break. I like these ones though, because for her it's easy to use. No, we're not going all the way up there. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. No. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Here, how about we go walk over here? She's a good girl. I love her so much. Just a little snippy. See, I could go to Honorable Deli, but they're so expensive. They have pizza in there, but they're so expensive. She pees like a boy. I'm telling you. She's a girl and she pees like a boy. She lifts her legs like a boy. See? She lifts her legs like a boy. Come on. I was just running. Got allergies. Not good. Come on. Come on, Bubba. Call Bubba. I don't know why. I just do. It's my little names for her. Come on, baby. Let's go. I'm not walking though, like Honorable does. A pain is because you gotta go walk this and all the way up the road and across the road. It's more safer for me to go to Rite Aid. But they have better stuff though at Honorable Deli, but I have to do a lot of crossing the road. No. 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 Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You know what I mean? Not, you know what I mean? Can't wait to get that stuff in the mail that I ordered. Cleaning.